With advances in technology, robotic automation is transforming the way we live and work, our efficiency and our safety levels. It is set to become the driving technology underpinning a whole new generation of autonomous devices that could provide the missing link between the digital and the physical world. How is India going to make this transition? How do we stay globally competitive and switch to smart manufacturing? What new science and innovation will power growth in this sector? Do we have the technology and know-how to be self-sufficient in this arena? Robotics is already a driver of competitiveness and flexibility in large-scale manufacturing industries. It improves worker prosperity by decreasing the time spent on exhausting, repetitive undertakings. Secondly, it improves the nature of work done as mechanical robotization infers a decrease in human blunder. The number of robots in use worldwide has multiplied threefold over the past 2 decades to 2.25 million according to a June 2019 report by Oxford Economics. Trends suggest the global stock of robots will multiply even faster in the next 20 years, reaching as many as 20 million by 2030. Robots are quickly moving out of controlled environments into homes and public spaces. In fact, researchers are also developing artificial intelligence systems that will allow robots to make decisions autonomously. Despite the fact that India has just 3 robots for each 10,000 specialists, the homegrown mechanical technology industry is developing at a remarkable rate. After the start of Made in India 2.0, many companies have come forward with their innovative ideas for robotics. One such company is Gridbots. Gridbots is an Ahmedabad-based company that was established in 2007. The company works in the field of robotics, specifically artificial intelligence and machine vision. The company develops robots that can be used in the industry for a variety of applications like dimension measurement, sorting and grading. Such robots are also used in outdoor work, such as surveillance in different kinds of terrain. They are capable of planning and navigating autonomously because of an inbuilt engine called the Grid Eye. Let's see what a Grid Eye engine is. The robot is able to process inputs from a range of sensors and cameras and can then plan out effective responses and actions, which include managing safety standards.
Grid Eye engine is the outcome of 15 years of research in the field of robotics, machine vision, artificial intelligence. We have been using multiple sensors feed like 2D cameras, 3D cameras, LIDARs, monocular cameras, stereo cameras, and trying to build an algorithm which can help a machine perceive its environment the way a human being does.
How exactly does this work? There is an algorithm that helps the robotic device assess the environment and collate data from it. The data is then sent to the processing engine, which filters out the required data and processes it at a very high speed. Based on the data, the robot undertakes the task. The processor has a high level of accuracy that helps these robots to work efficiently and safely.
First of all, you have to identify multiple objects which are present in the video and then segment them, how exactly they are positioned in 3D coordinate system, and then take actions. This has to be done in a fraction of a second, which becomes very challenging for today's hardware without a very good algorithm or a software running on its core. With Grid Eye, we have been able to solve this problem. Today, most of our robots are being powered with Grid Eye engine, which helps our robot to work in the industry the way the human being or a human laborer works.
The team at Gridbots create robots, designing them to suit a customer's specific requirements. With indigenous research and manufacturing capabilities, Gridbots has deployed robots for almost all segments of industry and is targeting international markets. Some of the sectors where our robots are being operational are glass, solar glass industry, manufacturing industry, food industry, pharma industry, electronics manufacturing industry, and warehousing. What defines the company is their research and development. About 80% of their revenue goes to R&D. The robots made by Gridbots are economical, costing a fifth of those available in the market.
You need to have an edge over your competitor. That edge can only come with a dedicated research, in-house research, which has to be there with every industry. These industries should be investing a lot in the research and ensuring that their product or their services or their technologies are way ahead of their closest competitors. That is the only way to survive and to grow with this vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat.
Gridbots helps a lot of different industries by providing robotic solutions and machine vision that increases efficiency, working speed, and helps clients reach goals in a time-bound manner.
For first, the Gridbots are also visited our factory, our warehouse. This engineer is visited, and then they coming up with the solution. They elaborate that they have the system which is capable to automatically transfer the material, and that robotic arm also capable to pick the material from the ground also in like some height.
Around 90% of their work is for the government. Their customers include the Ministry of Home Affairs, the Indian Navy, ONGC, ISRO, IIT Gandhinagar, etc. Apart from making robots for different applications, Gridbots also works on machine vision systems, in which they make various products under different categories. A range of inspection systems including glass inspection, welding inspection, fabric inspection, and 360-degree tube inspection solutions are made. Geometric Megaview, Microview, and Z-Scan solutions are developed under Dimension Measurement Solutions. A range of vision systems are developed to cater to different applications in various industries. Over the years, many such products have been developed that have been sold within the country and even outside the nation.
When we say Atmanirbhar Bharat, we are talking about competing in global markets. In the global markets, we know that there are big players already established. What we are talking about is the volume first, the quality of the product second. And when you're talking about quality of the products, at that point of time, it is necessary that we need to switch the traditional way of working and adapt ourselves to something which is taking care of the quality, the volume autonomously. And automation is the way to go.
After the break, another cutting-edge Indian startup that created robots that helped in hospitals during the COVID pandemic